So it's day 39 and we're out here hiking the Appalachian Trail. It rained last night from like, I don't know, 3 to 7. Wasn't too bad. And I slept in my tent and it turned out well. Slept pretty warm. I did blanket mode and I was sleeping in just like my base layers, so it was pretty good. There's a outpost up here in 10 miles from where we started to get lunch and grub, fresh food, stuff like that. So that's probably what we're gonna do. And yeah, my leg, I took off the ankle support and my leg's been doing fine. However, now my knees have been getting stiff, so trying to do stretches, stuff. They just get sore in the downhills now all of a sudden. So I'll have to keep an eye on that too. But doing good, pretty good. Trying to eat up all the food that I bought, which has been delicious. But yeah, that's the morning update. Today the trail actually has improved. It's this uphill is very gradual. Very little rocks today, unlike yesterday, which was all rocks. So it's very easy going today, which is great. Less sore feet and just easier walking too. So see, we even got switchbacks, very gradual uphill switchbacks. Like, I don't know, couldn't make it any easier for us than this. So I'm just enjoying it. Packs lighter as I keep eating food. So these next few days in Parisburg are going to be very relaxing, or at least a little bit easier than before, than coming out of a town. I'm enjoying it. It did rain last night, like I said, but the weather's turned around to being clear skies, sun over there. We got it all. Whew. And I'm liking it. Do a small clearing here. It's pretty good as the wind blows through. It's actually a good view if it isn't too windy. Virginia. It's actually kind of cold out today, right now. Brings me back to those good old days when it was a high of 40 degrees. And then I think it is like 40 degrees and windy. But now we're going downhill, 3 more miles for some delicious lunch at, what was it called? Something outpost. They have hot food, they got snacks and resupply, and even more of an outfitters kind of thing where you can get camping stuff, canister fuel, and denatured alcohol apparently, when it's right on the trail too. So that's going to be really convenient for a nice hot lunch today. Kind of get refreshed because we're doing 23 miles today to the next shelter. Not the next one, but the one after it. 23 miles. But we've been going to the shelters. The mileage adds up pretty well, but I've been tenting a lot because every time I get to the shelters, there's like 5 people already in the shelters, and it's just nicer to have that extra space in my tent than dealing with trying to wiggle in there into the shelter and kind of trying not to make too much noise bothering people and stuff, or have my light on. So this is just easier in every way except for maybe all the rain having to pack up my wet tent. It's kind of annoying, but pros and cons. Yeah, if the shelter was like empty, I probably would have just stayed in because you get all that nice room and space. Otherwise, fall back to the tent. Yuck, all this road walking right here. Jeez, what a beautiful view. No, not really. There's really not that much road walking on the 8C. Very little. It's mostly road crossing than walking. But you kind of get a nice, awesome view thanks to these power lines of the entire thing. And apparently it says warning heavy construction area, so hopefully the truck doesn't come around the corner here either. But yeah, partly cloudy day now, I guess, and the fleece has been off and on due to how windy and slightly cooled it is. So if I'm not doing any uphills, I can't really keep myself warm enough. So, and I'm getting too thin too, you know, don't have all that extra weight keeping me warm. Fortunately, I miss it, but you know, makes hiking easier when you're light on your feet, even with your body weight. An amazing view from up here. Amazing. PBS is missing out on. I'm like walking up on here and I probably can't get down. But it's worth it up here. I'll have to get a picture. Looks like it goes somewhere, so I'll make it down. So windy. It's like out west. Yeah, so warm. Springtime. Feel it. Hey, almost at camp. We have like 2.5 miles, and yeah, so not too much further to go. Feeling pretty good. So this is like a pretty easy 23-mile day. Flying through it, and yeah, so almost at camp, feeling pretty good.